Here are some must-hear motivational speeches about self-improvement and how to develop the habits of the person you want to become in this video. Welcome to Prepared Leaders. In this video, we've compiled these must-hear motivational speeches for you. No matter how dreadful a situation is, a rose will still bloom from that concrete, no matter how bad it is. Every person on this earth has the power to change themselves and change the world. I was created to do this. I wouldn't allow myself to fall short. I think in that way, and I realized that I developed from that. As I begin to plant my seeds, more roses are emerging. We are sowing seeds where they will never flourish. There are many individuals with the necessary heart, talent, and capacity. Simply showing them that someone else is capable will suffice. In the end, you have to genuinely desire it. You can't see the labor we put in behind the scenes. The issue is that people don't realize what it takes to even reach that place. Simply having a strong work ethic is something I believe is vital for all of us to be able to put in the extraordinary hours required for an entrepreneur and visionary, because I think there is a quick fix. But I do think there is a process. Work completion is crucial. I don't want people to think there is a magic solution. You have a fantastic memory, amazing success, a wonderful relationship, good health, and wonderful people. I am frequently asked what one thing I could do, and I always advise people to do as much of it as possible, correctly and wisely. You must put in the effort because you are aware that many people view content on social media. They observe all the success, but they are blind to the hustle. You are rewarded publicly for the behavior you model in private. The work must be done by you. Many people, in my opinion, waste a lot of energy trying to project this idealized version of themselves to the outside world. And as a result, they develop a negative self-image. It will be disclosed to someone else. And the truth is that people are brighter and faster than we think, able to do more than just recall facts by heart. They can also successfully overcome huge obstacles. Perhaps the difficulties we are facing are teaching us the most important lessons. Look for the moments you can control rather than things you can't. Don't waste the moments you can't change. Use the hours that you can manage. You are on a trip. This is your destiny, and you can either wander aimlessly or take the helm. Steer the ship in the direction you want to go, or you can do nothing at all. Today, venture out into the world and manage your time well. Make modest gains. That will put you on the road to success every day. Habit will keep you going after the initial burst of motivation. Motivation has power. Your success will be developed by this habit. Every second that goes by today gives you the chance to be extraordinary. The time is now for success. Succeed into something worthy, something with the power to change and adapt. Become the person you've always envisioned yourself to be. Today is your chance to become something with meaning and potential. Something with the capacity to grow and truly overcome your worries. And before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. When you release fear, you are only afraid because your mind can calculate what you will lose, but not what you will gain. Therefore, if you're depressed because of a breakup, you're concentrating on the loss of one person rather than the gain of 7.5 billion individuals. Your memory only holds one person, so you can't see what's on the other side. We live as if we have forever, which is absurd. So we get spoiled by the relationships and friendships we have and don't just appreciate them in the moment. When you feel lost, you're truly in trouble because you're just addicted to hearing the old tale. We set these expectations, and according to those expectations, you must act as you did in the past and cannot be yourself because I expect that you'll be here forever. You have to be mine because you can't feel anything else. And since we still have these ex-partners, expectations cause us to lose sight of the present and stop appreciating the opportunity we have. The majority of individuals mistakenly believe that transitory items are equivalent to permanent ones. You don't realize that I'm going through a breakup and that in a month you'll be alright. When you're down and feeling lousy, you tend to believe that this is how you'll always feel, which only serves to make things worse. You understand what I mean when I say that when you're down, you think, this is my life now. This is it. And while you're high, you get even more euphoric because you believe this is the rest of your life. We will be together forever because I have fallen in love with this person, and I will always believe they are the one. Most of our suffering is a result of belief. I think we should continue clinging to these things that are so weighty in our lives. Even in concrete instances, many of us have a cluttered attic. Many of those are things that your past has convinced you you should have, but they may not be what your heart truly desires. In the world we live in, people tend to listen to what we say rather than what we are thinking. Your future self and you must be standing side by side. You need to go to bed at night knowing that you gave it your all and wake up every morning wanting to change and adapt. Be unusual today and stand out. Change to anything new. Stop deceiving yourself. Take action and achieve your goals by becoming greater than you have ever been. Your strength lies in the objectives you set for yourself. Your strength lies in your aim. Time is such a strong thing. You are strong. Describe your beliefs and the influence you have. Describe the authority you have always possessed. Use it, develop it, and possess it. Your ability can lead you to where you succeed and set you on the path to success, where you can rise above the mundane. Check out your gains and what you learn. Consider how far you've come and use it as an excuse to take every moment for granted. This will shape your future and give you the tools you need to be successful. You possess the capacity to rise above the mundane. You never stop moving forward because the show always continues with or without you. The earth is still spinning and time is passing. It's your chance right now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video.